Someone is looking to try and bring down their annual maintenance spend per unit, there's really only two places you can go. One, it's probably not that likely that you can reduce the amount of service issues, candidly. Stuff's going to break, or even you're choosing to fix it early through preventative, but you're ultimately going to have the same amount of work requests. So it really only leaves two. What percentage of your repairs are preventative? And the second one, what is the spend either on the internal technician or vendor side? So when you're looking at these things, you want to look and say, am I moving more preventative? Because ultimately you should start seeing a reduction in your annual maintenance spend per unit. And then the second thing is having accountability or a drill down to know, are my technicians having a high enough throughput that is keeping costs at a reasonable place, as well as parts, upcharges, everything, being able to like dive into that. And then the second one is, you need to have a handle on your vendor network to know, is the services I'm being provided competitive? Are my HVAC, plumbers, electricians, am I keeping cost competitiveness there and ensuring I've got a healthy vendor network? So really, those are the only areas that you can really dive in to make the movement. So back to it, one, try and move as much preventative as possible. It's way cheaper to do stuff when the work isn't an emergency. And then the second one is the cost to deliver that service, whether it means your technician throughput and efficiency or the health of your vendor network.